This is our research truck, and today we're going to take it on a trip and prove that we can get gas mileage or fuel mileage with a 5 or 6.5 diesel engine. Okay, it's March, what is it, 26th or whatever?
26th.
Huh?
26th.
March 26th, 4:10. What you're looking up at here is a device that will inject gasoline at a measured amount, controlled measured amount into the engine, which is a diesel. It's a 6.5 diesel GMC. And we have computer. We have Youngstown University, Mike Wilmuth here, who's going to man the computer and monitor the success. We have a fuel tank here that we will use fuel only out of this tank once we get into the measured miles that we run in the course. And you can see this is a swivel bread truck, diesel delivery truck, a little bit older, and it's been rigged to be a research truck, so that's where we're at. So okay, what we got here is this is our 6.5 liter diesel, GM diesel, and we brought a hose down from the pump, and this is a regular fuel injector for a car, and it goes into the intake of the motor, and that's all it does. So this shoots nothing but gas vapor into the motor in a very small amount, and that's how we get the economy. This is how the gas gets in here. These are the wires that run the injector, and this is the hose that pressured hose full gas. And ready yet?
Yeah.
Okay, just in the record flash.
Yeah. It's recording.
Okay. We're now on our way to the track that we have laid out. This balls, the 6-mile track. That's exactly how much this tank goes. It should run out in 6 miles. We've done it about 20 times. It runs out every time, unless we use our unit. So we're going to try that today. That's it. We're up. Okay.
How the circuit basically works is we get a signal per revolution from the motor that we from a device that we hook onto it. What that does is it pulses it, and it pulses the input, and we get a signal. And from that signal I can calculate how long the fuel injector should be open. This relay turns on the fuel injector, and this one turns on the fuel pump. The fuel pump pumps the fuel out of these little tanks through the gas line to the injector that you saw, that gets turned on and off by this. Now with this program I can count how many pulses that we ran. The last 6-mile run that we did, we pulsed just the fuel injector just over 9,000 pulses. So it's not really all that much gas that we were using.
For 6 miles.
For 6 miles, yeah.
And we've just purged the line and
refueled with 93 octane.
Right. So Mike has us all set. We're ready to run
go.
Another test.
It's ready to go.
And all these little valves isolate the normal engine fuel tank from the test tank that we have here. So we'll adjust the fuel level and we'll be all set. It should be draining now.
Yeah,
it is draining now. Okay. This is a research truck that we put together so we can monitor every function of the motor from here. and that allows us to know our progress.
Alright, we're ready to start.
Okay. The results of our test and driving the truck were that when we use the device that injects gasoline, we save this much fuel in this is a half a gallon jug, so it would be twice this much for a gallon, and we only use just this much gas is injected into the motor. And so you see, the little teeny amount of gasoline saves you a lot of fuel. So that's our results from our test.